start. So all these schemes have been provided for. Similarly, for social insurance, every year 100 crores rupees will be put in by the LIC to this fund to give 50% premium for only the casual laborers and none else. Only those who do not have any fixed income like rickshawalas, railway coolies, carpenters or agricultural laborers, and we have decided to implement this scheme. There are 2 lakh agents of the LIC throughout the country. 6 million persons can be covered every year with payment of rupees 15 only as premium. They have to pay rupees 15 only. Now, how shall we reach the people? There are 2 lakh agents. The LIC has asked them to enroll at least 5 laborers or rickshawalas or the poorest of the poor people, and they can enroll up to 15. By this method, we can enroll 2 to 3 million people every year. They will collect the insurance premium from them. 50% will be paid out of rupees 100 crores fund, which will be debited to this fund every year. So this is a social security scheme for the poorest among the poor, and it is practicable. It will be done with your cooperation. I would seek the cooperation of all the honorable members of the House. They can go to their states, meet the LIC agents, because it is not a party matter. You can ask those agents to enroll such people, because the question is only how to reach the people. These people cannot even fill up the forms. I am thankful to all the members who supported the objectives of this budget. Now, if you come to action plan for agriculture, there has been criticism as to what is the action plan for agriculture. So much has been talked about the action plan. It is mainly meant to help the delta regions of eastern states and Andhra Pradesh, which will be the recipient of this special scheme. 6 lakh shallow tube wells will be dug in the delta regions of eastern states and Andhra Pradesh under the action plan. This is apart from the 1 million tube wells which I have talked about in regard to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and the small and marginal farmers in the eastern region. The Planning Commission has identified resources under this framework. Stop.